Dear students, last time we have studied about evolution, and man is always curious to know about the formation of life. Therefore, science of evolution came into existence, and by now you know what is evolution. So evolution is nothing but the formation of new species due to changes in specific characters over several generations of living organism as a response to natural selection. Fine. Now, evolution, to find out about how this life originated, there has to be some proof to find out how this evolution has taken place. So today we are going to study about what are the evidences of evolution, what were the proofs of evolution. So let us begin now with the first evidence of evolution, that was morphological evidence. Now what is morphology? First of all, you should know what is morphology. Morphology is nothing but the study of appearance of the living organisms. Fine. So that is morphology. That means outer appearance. How is the outer appearance of the living organism? So let me show this picture to you first. You can see over here I have placed picture of a dog, a sheep here, a fox and a cat. Now if you see carefully here, okay, we are trying to find out whether they are evolved from each other or not. If you try to see that they are having certain common characters in them, and because of this we can say that they might have common ancestors. So let us see what were the characters, what are the different similarities in them. So if you see, look at the mouth, the structure of the mouth in all of them is similar. Position of the eyes, you will find that it is always just below the forehead or just above the nose, right? In every animal you will find, even the human being, you will find that the position of the eyes is always above the nose. And then the structure of the nostrils. Nostrils means this is a nose, and a nose is having nostrils. So even the structure of the nostril, if you see, is similar. Then the ear pinnae are almost similar. Even human beings also, ear pinnae, you will find that it is on the side of your face. On the side of your face you will find that there will be ear pinnae. And thickly distributed hair, you will find that all of them are having thickly distributed. So I have placed only 4, but if you can see in other animals also, all these characters what we are discussing now as a morphological evidence will be similar. Even the human beings have some hair. Okay, in the course of time they have lost the hair, but that doesn't mean that they do not have hair on the body. They also have, human beings also have hair on their body. So thickly distributed. So all these characters tell that they are coming from a common ancestors. Fine. So this is regarding the animals morphological evidence. Let us see about the plants. Now here I have placed a picture wherein I have shown leaves of different plants. If you see, the shape of all the leaves is almost similar. Okay, then even the venation pattern means there is a midrib and the veins are there. Fine. So that is called as the venation pattern, is almost similar. And if you look at the petiole, now what is a petiole? Petiole is nothing but the stalk of the leaf. Stalk of the leaf is also, the position of this petiole is also same. So this tells us nothing that there are some similarities in all these groups, plants as well as in animals, and hence it proves that their origin must be same and must have common ancestors. So I hope so you must have understood now what is a morphological evidence. Let us move little ahead now. Next, that is anatomical. Now what does anatomy means? Morphology is the outer appearance, whereas anatomical evidence means how they are appearing inside the body. Now here it is the same picture which is there in your textbook. Fine. So here you can see the hands of different, human hand or cat's foreleg, or maybe this is the flipper of the whale, and this is called as a patagium of the bat. Fine. Now it is not only their outer appearance is shown, but even the bone structure is shown. Superficially, if you look at them, all of them look different. Even the use of theirs is different. Fine. So this patagium of the bat, it will be using it for flying. Fine. Then this is a flipper of the whale, it must be using it to swim. Okay. A cat's foreleg is used to run. It is using like the leg only. And hand, in the case of human beings, the function of the hand is, I don't have to tell you. So all their functions are different. Superficially also they appear different. But if you look at the bones, okay, if you look at the bones and the structure of the bone as well as the joints, how they are joined to each other, it shows that there is some similarity. Okay. So there is some similarity, and they have come from the common ancestors. So similarity in the structure of the bone as well as the bony joints. Okay. If you see the bony joints here in the case of fingers and all, fine, you will find that the bony joints are similar. So this indicates that these animals have common ancestors. Fine. So this was the anatomical evidence. That means inside the body. Okay. How is the structure inside the body? That is called as